Good morning. It's Heather with Across the Fence Farm, coming to you with yet another bit of scoop and tip and info about mason bees. Look at those full cells. And those have all gotten completely cleaned out, and watch until the end for the tip, by the bees in the last I think these have been out probably in the last 3 weeks, 4 weeks, but they've been busy. And what a lovely few weeks it's been. I don't know if you can see it come through. Not so well in this light, but there's a beautiful, beautiful spider web just there at the joint of the downspout. Love it. So most people, a lot of people, will say, oh, after the nesting boxes are empty, i.e. all of the larvae have hatched, you've got to clean the cells and muck them out and so on. The reality is, you don't. That's a mistrust and a misunderstanding of the mason bees. Because the reality is, check this out. Take a nice long swoop, because here's the truth. Here is the truth. You see all those little bits of soil right in here? Even caught in some of the spider webs there along. Look at all these blobs of just soil clumps. Such as this one right here. All of these dots are little soil dots. Guess what those are? Those are the clean out from last year's emptied nesting cells that the bees have cleaned out so that they can make their new ones. And they cleaned these out within the last few weeks that this has been going on, and that the empty nesting boxes have been sitting out and waiting to get filled. So there you have it. You don't need to clean them. The bees know how to take care of themselves. So let them do their job. That's your tip. Thanks for watching. I do hope you like this video and it was helpful, informative, inspiring. Drop a comment, ask a question, and take a look at some of the other mason bee videos I have on my site, which is numerous. Hit that subscribe button too, if you feel so inclined to follow along with the journey. Be well. J-Man says it's time to close out.